Snowhaven. Wow, it looks bigger than it is on paper. On paper it says 400 vertical feet. Maybe it is, but boy, it sure looks bigger and wider and better groomed and everything than Cottonwood. If you're into powder, go to Cottonwood Butte. But this is a nice playground, and it's only like 7 miles from Grangeville. All right, let's go ski. It's mostly all blues, but this one here looks like a fairly steep blue. The T-bar is pretty solid and stiff and well balanced. Instead of a cable, the construction is all solid. The T-bars that just have a cable and a relatively short bar, they tend to want to throw you off as you are riding up. They tend to want to slip out from under you, but not this one. I really like it when they leave a few trees in between. I mean, something to turn around. Yeah. The place is totally uncrowded. I mean, people really spread out far and wide. I've been sitting here for a while waiting to capture an image of somebody going down the slopes, but nobody. Ah, here comes somebody. What the ski area likes in vertical, it certainly makes up in horizontal. Wide kind of bowl. Just keeps on going. The Lions Club seems to sponsor a lot of smaller ski areas in Idaho, Montana, Eastern Oregon, etc. Most people are wearing such dark clothes, they're hard to distinguish, especially with dark trees in the background. I always say, we're not going to a funeral, so why wear black? We're having fun, so we want some fun colors, right? So there's some snow tubing going on, and watch this. Whoa! And beginner skiers have a rope tow here.